A pre-owned 2016 NOMAD 288BH. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Introducing the 2016 NOMAD 288BH travel trailer, a spacious and versatile option for your next adventure. This travel trailer comes equipped with a range of factory default features designed to enhance your travel experience. Step inside to find a well-appointed interior with comfortable sleeping arrangements, including a master bedroom with a queen-sized bed and bunk beds in the rear. The kitchen area boasts a refrigerator, stove, and microwave for all your cooking needs. The bathroom features a shower, sink, and toilet for added convenience on the road. The living area is perfect for relaxing or entertaining, with a dinette and sofa that can be converted into additional sleeping space if needed. Stay comfortable in any weather with a built-in air conditioning and heating system. This 2016 NOMAD 288BH travel trailer is in excellent overall condition, ready to hit the road and create lasting memories. Experience the freedom and flexibility of RV travel with this well-maintained,